Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Before starting any type of weight loss journey, the first thing you need to do is to detox your body. Plenty ways to do it, but on this channel, we try to do everything naturally. A natural way that you can get rid of that stuff in your body, kickstart your body for weight loss, boost up your immune system, feed it with fiber and vitamin-rich vegetables, okay? This is a powerful weight loss detoxing drink, and this is what's going to flush all of those toxins from your body. So that's what we're doing today. Now, this is a fat burning detox, and you're going to be able to lose 5 pounds in 2 days and up to 4 inches off of your waist. You do this every single day. Now, this is a very healthy drink. Now, what we're working with today is we're working with our lemons, powerful lemons. Now, my mint was going bad, but I was able to survive a few sprigs, which is all I need. So we're going to be working with some mint leaves. Please excuse my mint. All right, but some mint leaves. We're also going to be working with some celery. Wonderful, powerful celery. And some parsley. We already know where this is going, okay? As well as 5 cups of water. All right, now in this video we're going to be using our full-size blender. Now what we're going to need from our parsley is we're going to need a 1/2 cup of chopped parsley, okay? And I already have it pre-chopped, so we're just going to toss that into our blender. Next, we're also going to toss in our mint leaves. Now we're going to juice our lemons, and we're going to need 4 tablespoons of our lemon juice. So this is pre-juiced lemons. There's 2 lemons, so we're just going to need 4 tablespoons. Wow, 2 lemons really went a long way. Okay, 4 tablespoons, and still got 1.5 tablespoons left from 2 lemons. Okay, so now we're going to chop up our celery. And lastly, we're going to add in 5 cups of our filtered or spring water, whichever is best. Wow, look at that, y'all. I know you're probably wondering, like, Velvet, what is that about? That's a lot of fluid. Well, now we're going to blend this up. Now, if you want the links, they're down below for the NUTRIBULLET blender. Okay, this is the full-size blender. This is new. Okay. Right, and our drink is ready. So now we're going to get our Big Mama or Big Daddy mug, and that's it, you guys. Now this seems like an awful lot of fluid, but let me tell you, this is powerful. Now what you do with this drink is you drink this 7 days straight, okay? You're going to blend this every day for 7 days straight. This is powerful, and you're going to lose 5 pounds in only 2 days. So imagine how much weight you're going to lose after 7 days, okay? If you choose, you can drink this even past the 7 days, because this is healthy, this is natural, this is a way to flush your belly down. This is going to shrink your belly. This is going to get rid of that pooch, that bloating. It's going to flush out your intestines. This is powerful. Now, it seems like an awful lot to drink, but if you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach, by lunch, you will be ready for a meal, even if it's a light meal. But like I said, if you drink this in the morning, every morning on an empty stomach, you're going to lose a lot of weight. So incorporate this drink in your daily morning regimen. And like I said, you will lose 5 pounds in 2 days. That's how powerful this is. We are getting ready for the summer, and these drinks are what's going to do it for us. If you want more extremely powerful weight loss solutions, I got more coming your way. Don't forget to check down below in the description bar for the links for the personal and the full-size NUTRIBULLET blenders, as well as these wonderful reusable metal straws. They come in a set. You get a brush to clean it, and it's safe for the environment as well as your enamel, especially when we're drinking these apple cider vinegar drinks, as well as the lemon waters. You should protect your enamel using a straw, and preferably a metal straw, because it's safer and there aren't any BPA problems with that plastic straw, okay? Now, you guys, also, if you're into hair care and skin care, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see that over there, as well as fashion hauls, family challenges, and more, all right? And you guys, as I always say, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.